Go. Go. Huge tornado right in front of us right now. Less than 1/10 of a mile in front of us. Right here, stop. You can see it. You can see the outer circulation right here.
Yep, I see it. I see it.
Debris getting lofted in the air, everybody. Crossing the interstate right in front of us. Hold on, here comes the ghost train.
I'm gonna try and get a photo. I'm just gonna go out the window.
Go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get some subscribers out here. Huge, huge RFD. RFD.
Oh my goodness.
Hold. Recording again.
Oh, that's close. That's close. That's close,
Yep.
close.
Yep. Easy, buddy. Easy.
I know, he's just, that guy.
There it is right there. Stop right here.
Yep. I'm gonna get photos.
Okay. Be quick. I'm talking a minute.
Oh my goodness, listen to that roar.
Yep. Ryan,
that hit something big just now.
To put this in perspective, this was a rope tornado about 2.5 minutes ago. About to be a wedge.
That hit something big just now. That's a lot of debris in the air.
Huge tornado, a lot of debris. A lot of debris getting brought around there outside.
Oh my goodness. Look at those vortices down there.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
I point the car just a little bit that way. A little bit, not much. Perfect. Perfect is right here.
Oh my goodness, look at that vortex on the backside there.
Multi-Vortex. Multi-Vortex wedge tornado.
Here, you want to make...
Sub-vortices racing around the parent tornado.
I'm gonna...
Dude, just sit back and enjoy it.
Okay.
You've gotten pictures?
Yeah.
Sub-vortices, we are very close to this. Sub-vortices racing around the parent tornado. I'm going to zoom in a little bit.
Just let me know when you want me to go back to the interstate.
There's no need to. We're good right here for
I know. Look at all that debris.
I know. Zoom out, just so you how big this is. All right, point it again. Point the car again. Watch for any satellite tornadoes as well. What the heck is that?
That's all of this. That's RFD coming at us.
Okay. Okay, go back up on the interstate.
All right. Go now.
All right, getting back up on the interstate. We're going to close range intercept this one, just like we did the other one. Do not do this normally.